Understanding Section 5971, M. Bond for surplus purchase money. Section 5971, M. of the Pennsylvania statutes outlines the procedures for handling surplus funds when a property is sold at a tax sale for an amount exceeding the owed taxes, interest, and costs. Key provisions. Purchaser's duty to execute a bond. When a tax sale is confirmed by the court and the winning bid surpasses the total taxes, interest, and costs due, the purchaser is required to execute a bond to the county treasurer. This bond is for the benefit of the individuals entitled to the surplus funds, typically the former property owner or their legal representatives. The bond includes a warrant of attorney to confess judgment, which allows for expedited legal enforcement if necessary. Filing of the bond. The county treasurer must promptly file the bond in the office of the prothonotary, the clerk of the court, of the proper county, at the same number and term where the sale report is filed. Once filed, the bond acts as a lien on the property, similar to a judgment, binding the property regardless of subsequent ownership transfers. Former owner's right to action. The original owner, their heirs, assigns, or legal representatives have a window of not less than 2 years and not more than 5 years after the sale's confirmation to initiate legal action. They can cause a judgment to be entered upon the bond in court, in the name of the treasurer for their use. Enforcement for non-payment. If the surplus funds, along with legal interest, are not paid within 30 days after the judgment, execution may be issued against the property. The property can then be sold through a writ of fieri facias without the need for condemnation, inquisition, or consideration of exemption laws. Relevance for finders. Assisting in surplus recovery. This statute provides a clear legal pathway for former property owners to recover surplus funds from a tax sale. Finders can play a vital role by informing clients about their rights and the necessary steps to claim these funds. Understanding timeframes. The specific timeframe to act, between 2 and 5 years after sale confirmation, is crucial. Finders should emphasize the importance of initiating the recovery process within this period to ensure clients do not forfeit their entitlement. Navigating legal processes. Familiarity with the requirement of the purchaser's bond and the procedure to enter judgment upon it enables finders to guide clients effectively. By understanding potential enforcement actions if the surplus is not paid, finders can advise clients on possible outcomes and strategies. Securing clients' interests. The bond serves as security for the surplus funds, and its lien status ensures that the former owner's claim is legally protected. Finders can reassure clients about the security of their entitled funds and assist in enforcing their rights if necessary. Conclusion. Section 5971, M. highlights the mechanisms in place for former property owners to reclaim surplus funds from a tax sale. For finders, comprehending these legal provisions is essential to provide professional and meaningful assistance to clients. By leveraging this knowledge, finders can facilitate the recovery of surplus funds between 2 and 5 years after the sale, ensuring that clients are fully informed and supported throughout the process. Understanding Section 5971Q. Sale by County Commissioners after redemption period. Section 5971Q outlines the procedures for the sale of properties acquired by county commissioners in Pennsylvania due to unpaid taxes when the original owners or interested parties fail to redeem them within the specified redemption period. Key provisions. Authority to sell unredeemed properties. After the initial 2-year redemption period has expired without redemption by the owner, heirs, legal representatives, or lien creditors, county commissioners may sell the property. This sale can be conducted either at a public sale, with specific notice requirements, or at a private sale as permitted by law. The commissioners are not obligated to sell the property but have the discretion to do so for the best obtainable price. Notice requirements for public sale. A 30-day notice must be given before a public sale, advertised once a week for 3 consecutive weeks in at least 2 local newspapers, or one if only one exists. The advertisement must include purpose, time, place, and terms of the sale. A list of the properties, their locations, and the names of the owners or reputed owners. Setting an upset price. Commissioners may set an upset price to cover all costs associated with the sale. Expenses incurred by the county for demolition, removal, or repair of unsafe structures. Expenses for remedying fire hazards as ordered by authorities. All tax claims against the property, including state and local liens. Accrued but unfiled taxes and municipal claims. Petitioning the court for sale free of liens. If the property doesn't sell for at least the upset price, commissioners can postpone the sale and petition the Court of Common Pleas to authorize a sale free and clear of all liens and claims. Upon court approval and after notifying all interested parties, the property can be sold free of prior mortgages, municipal claims, and ground rents. Proceeds from such a sale are distributed in a specific order to satisfy costs, taxes, municipal claims, and other liens. Redemption rights after commissioner's sale. The original owner has a 10-day period after the commissioner's sale to redeem the property by paying the bid price. Costs of the sale. A 10% penalty of the bid price. This short redemption window contrasts with the initial 2-year redemption period after the county treasurer's tax sale. Transfer of title. After the sale, commissioners provide a deed to the purchaser, which is acknowledged legally. If the sale was conducted without a court order, the deed conveys the title the commissioners can legally transfer. If the sale was authorized by the court, the deed conveys an absolute title, free from all prior liens and encumbrances, except those specifically preserved by law. Implications for finders. Monitoring redemption periods. Understanding that properties held by the county commissioners after an unsuccessful tax sale have already gone through a 2-year redemption period is essential. Once this period expires, opportunities to assist the original owner in reclaiming the property diminish significantly. Limited window for action. After the commissioner's sale, homeowners have a brief 10-day period to redeem the property. Assessing surplus funds availability. Since the county may set an upset price covering various costs and liens, the likelihood of surplus funds being available after the commissioner's sale is reduced. Finders should carefully evaluate whether surplus funds exist before pursuing recovery efforts. Professional engagement. Knowledge of this process enables finders to have informed and professional conversations with homeowners. By explaining the differences in redemption periods and sale procedures, finders can offer valuable assistance tailored to the homeowner's situation. Conclusion. For finders aiming to excel in the surplus funds recovery business, a thorough understanding of statutes like Section 5971Q is vital. Recognizing the nuances of post-redemption sales by county commissioners helps in strategizing both pre-foreclosure and post-foreclosure approaches. By staying informed about tax sale procedures and redemption rights, finders can engage with homeowners effectively, offering comprehensive assistance that goes beyond merely claiming surplus funds. This depth of knowledge not only enhances professionalism but also builds trust with clients navigating the complexities of delinquent tax laws.